Barrister, Ezigbo, Barrister, Ezigbo, Barrister, Ezigbo.
Barrister Ezigbo, do I look like a fool to you? Am I an illiterate to you? I would rather hire another person than hire you and pay you to defend me in court, and then I will not receive insult. What is all this? What is all this, Barrister Ezigbo?
Okay, sit down. Sit. Let me tell you something. Shouting and screaming do not win cases in court. The things that win cases in court are facts. And the fact of the matter is that you are ignorant of the workings of the law and the court.
Barrister Ezigbo, I don't care what you call it. All I care about is win my case for me.
Do you even know the difference? The jurisdictional difference between the prosecuting counsel and the defense counsel based on the law of jurisprudence.
How am I supposed to know? You are the lawyer here.
Exactly what I'm talking about. That's why I said you should not scream. Because you are ignorant of the law. You are an illiterate when it comes to law.
Can you please stop calling me an illiterate?
I will stop. But for legal purposes, I want to put it to you that you are not my learned colleague. And that automatically makes you an illiterate. Do you even know who you were screaming at? Barrister Ezigbo. I can just say one thing in court, and the judge will send you to prison without trial. Listen, don't try my legal sagacity if you value your freedom. In fact, I am no longer interested in representing you in court.
What did you just say?
I said that I am no longer interested in being your lawyer. Leave my office now.
Is that so? Is that so?
Yes.
Ọ bụ na agwọ emere ife o jibola agwọ ụmụdewere ya kee nkụ. Ọbịa nakwanso sawasa sirwaswa salawasa latowa sawasa lakwasa. The witches and wizards that I command, I just told them to rejoice. I'm bringing for them supper. Ntanta! Salaka. They will enjoy this your flesh. It's looking very meaty. Look at your nose. It will make a good gizzard. If anyone said what gizzard? Lose this case first. Ezigbo.
You are an occultic man.
Like I said before, I look ordinary to you because I'm dressing very casual. You think you can underrate me? Do you know KOK? Do you know KOK? He bows before me. What do you think this cap with a long tail represents? Otale more! Even capture man the man. Look at your ear. It make a good bomber. Kanda. Lose this case first, Ezigbo. Lose it.
I have never lost a case. I've never lost a case. But if you know that the way the situation of things in the country now, you know, with herdsmen and even lockdown, if I lose this one, The chairman of an MBA, Nigerian Bar Association, he said we should give, it is our legal week. He said we should give our clients heavy discount so that they will be happy even if we lose case.
You've not lost a case before. You want to start with me? Ezibo, did you see the cows at Obi Kubana's mother's burial? Barbecue cows. Did you see it? As I'm looking at you now, I'm seeing a human being barbecue. Ezibo, lose the case. I'm begging you, lose the case. My witches and wizards are waiting. Anon wongo agba, lose okay, sir.
For legal purposes, barristers people shooting opponents. Plenty questions there for you. How you want your case to be? Barrister handle my case, you as lawyer. Cause barristers is efficient in court.